In this HRMS system, employee can mark his attendance on a daily basis from biometric machine, from mobile application. He can mark also his geolocation through mobile app or by logging in into the system through a static IP and logging out as well. He can also mark his leaves by going to My Leaves section, where he will be able to see all his leaves entitled, and he can submit even half day also with the reason, with his address and alternate number, and the alternate person who will look after his work based on his applicabilities. It will get a notified alert to his supervisor, who will approve or reject the leaves, and which will be shown on both the screens. So for taking the advance, employee will go to his My Profile section under the Advanced Request tab, where he will put how much amount he needs based on the entitlement. This amount may be kept. Then how many installments this amount needs to be deducted, and the purpose. And once he's update this page, then the approval will go to Cashit 24/7 automated system for approval. So once the 24/7 Cashit team sees the request, they can reduce the amount, they can reduce the number of installments, and Cashit 24/7 automated system will approve the request, and it will be instantly credited to the employee's account, which will get deducted from the salary based on the number of EMI selected.